Hey guys, welcome to Tutorial Guru. Today we'll be learning how to log into LinkedIn account, and now let's dive right in. Now to log into your LinkedIn account on your computer, first open up your preferred browser. As I've already opened the Google Chrome over here, and after opening your preferred browser, guys, click on the search bar at the top of the screen and enter the address linkedin.com and hit on enter, and then you'll be directed to the home page of LinkedIn over here. Now guys, in order to log into your LinkedIn, either you can continue with your current Google account which are logged into the device, or you can enter with a different email with which you have signed up. What will be, just click on the sign in button at the top right corner of the screen over here. Click on the sign in button, and over here enter the email address or the phone number with which you had signed up for a LinkedIn account over here, and after that enter your password, whichever may it be. And after entering your email address and your password, or your phone number and your password, click on the sign in button over here, and then you'll be logged into your LinkedIn account, guys. But guys, if you've forgotten your password, you can always click on the button where it says forgot password over here to go through a procedure to reset your LinkedIn account's password. And with that being said, guys, this is how to log into your LinkedIn account on your computer. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.